Hi, I'm Gabrielle Angel Lilly, and I have a fantastic vision for a future with more peace and less violence toward other humans and toward our earth. And I want to help facilitate the building of a global network of unity community centers where we share our art and our music, our performances, and our positivity in such a way that we promote more global peace. And the reason that I feel like I am the right person to help facilitate that is that I was excluded a lot as a child. I was born illegitimate. My daddy's name is not on my birth certificate, and that had subtle but important implications to the story that I got told and that I told myself throughout my childhood. And then where I grew up added to that, and some of the stories that I got bullied as a kid and I got in trouble, and then I got locked up for being a juvenile delinquent at 13, and all of those things contributed to this sense of exclusion or not belonging to society, not being, worthy of belonging to a community or a family. And so I know what it feels like to be excluded, and I'm really inspired to create these community centers where people of different ages, of different ethnicities, of different financial statuses can learn about our commonalities, can come together and enjoy good food together, enjoy good entertainment together, and enjoy a really nice, cool, creative atmosphere, maybe even make some music and art together. So that's what that's about, and I'm going to tell you in another video about how I'm going to do that. So check it out.